Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to customize the glances menu on this watch. First, let's open the glances menu. To do it, basically wake up the screen on your watch, and then on the home screen you can swipe up like this and it will open the glances menu. And here we have the list of glances. By default you have only few, but we can edit this menu. We can add, remove and rearrange the menu. So tap on edit, and here we have the list of already added glances. This is the page with the glances that are already on the menu, and we can do a few things. We can select the glance we want to edit, for example, then press the upper button and we can move it around, so we can move it on the list up or down, or we can also remove it by pressing the upper button when this icon is active. You can remove it by pressing the button and it will be gone. Another thing you can do is to add options to this menu, so we can tap on add, find the function we want to use, for example, let's say heart rate and maybe history, and then you can go back. The items will appear on the list, and if you go back to the normal glances menu you will see heart rate and history. You can also tap on these glances to open more detailed information for some functions, for example heart rate. And once you're done, of course, you can close the menu by pressing the back button, and that's how you edit the glances menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.